If you want to know how I got this cute, colorful vibe, stay tuned and see how I got this this hair that I lay makeup look to go with the video on last week. And I've had this hair in for a week now, and I think it's holding up pretty good. So if you want to see how I got this stay tuned. Cocoa Vanity is vibe, honey. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Cocoa Vanity. Thanks for subscribing and commenting to my videos. Today I'll be showing you how I slayed this full makeup look, hooded cut crease, rainbow color. I started with my eyes. I'm using Anastasia in the shade Ebony, and I start off carving my eyes with a pencil, then I shade it in, fill it in, and I'm using a small angle brush for this. I'm going to go under eye with a lighter shade, which is Tarte shade tape in the color Tan Deep. I'm going to go in with the top part with the foundation that's come close to my skin. And I used Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Spicy Rum. And you want to get this as neat as possible without getting the concealer in your hairs or in your eyebrows to keep it nice and clean. Oh, look at that brow. Yes, honey. Yes. Check it out. Yes, yes, yes. Looking good, looking good. Trust the process. Then I'm going to put this concealer all under my eye, and I'm going to blend it in real good. Then I'm going to set it with some translucent powder so it can stay in place. Eyes on fleek. I'm going to use the Too Faced translucent powder, and all the items that I use will be listed below. I'm going to use the NYX lightest base to cut my crease, and I do have hooded eyes, so you want to go above your hooded eye, so when your eyes do close, you still can see the cut crease. I'm using the Roxi Revolution palette. And these are the colors that came in this beautiful palette. Pastel rainbow colors. And then I'm just going to show y'all how I did this, and y'all can just get into this slay. So in this part, as you can see, I already laid the pink down, and I'm going over it with the blue. But to blend it in, you want to keep it as straight as possible. But if you're blending the lines, you want to go a little over the previous color, and that will blend it in. And if it blends in too much, I'll simply go back over it with the other color, as so in the video. So I'm just packing these colors in. I'm not swiping. It's easy, y'all. It's very easy to do. You just pack the colors in. And the base that I use the lightest shade, and that'll make the colors pop as a concealer base. Remember to use a small brush for this part. So I'm packing in that yellow, and then I'm going to pack in pink. But as you can see, in order to get the lines as straight as possible and to blend in the lines, you want to go over the previous color. I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with Nevia moisturizing cream. And you want to start with a clean face. I use clean face, exfoliate your skin, and then make sure you put a moisturizer on there. Then I put the iconic glow drops on there so my skin can look glowy under my foundation. And this part, I'm color correcting my skin for any blemishes or marks on my skin that I don't want to show through my foundation. Now I'm putting my foundation on and I'm mixing my colors. I'm using NARS foundation and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me to mix in with it, because the NARS foundation was a little light for my complexion. So I blended them two together. And I'm just going to pat that in with a stippling brush. That's the e.l.f. stippling brush I'm using. And I'm just going to pat that in into the skin. Now guys, you're just going to blend till you can't blend no more. Blend till your arms fall off. And this part right here, I'm putting concealer in. I'm using the color Fawn in LA Color. And I'm mixing it with Tarte Shape Tape, which is in the shade Tan Deep. And I'm also using Tan Shape Tape, Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan. So that's 3 different concealers because my complexion, I really like light under my eyes. So I mix it with some of my skin tone and then some of it lighter. I'm going to use this Juvias Place Contour Cream Foundation Stick. And this is in the shade Sokoto, if I'm saying it right. I'm listing everything in the description box below. And I'm using an e.l.f. beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend everything in. As so. And make sure you blend real good. Just blend it in until you don't see any lines, harsh lines. And then I'm taking this blending brush and I'm buffing out my contour. And then this part I'm using translucent powder. Every time you put down the cream, you have to put powder over to set it. So the translucent powder will set your concealer in place. I used the Tarte Shape bronzer to go over my bring some color back in my face. And now in this part I'm putting some more I'm using some more highlight on my cheek areas. And I'm just going to contour that nose. I'm going to get that nose snatch. Not that the nose snatch, honey. I'm going to go with some Fenty and contour the cheeks and some highlighter. Yes, getting into this look. It's coming together. It's coming together. I use my Morphe powder, cocoa, and I put some blue, the same colors under my eyes. I put pink and blue under my eyes. I'm going to line my lips. My lips came out kind of dark with the liner, but that's okay. You can always clean up your lips with some concealer, as so. I added some lip glosses and some lip plumper so the lips can get plump, child. I added some lip plumper. That's e.l.f. lip plumper in the shade Champagne. I put some iconic drops in my cubic bow. Yes. Some Tarte Shape Tape gloss over that. And look at them lips looking juicy. I'm going to put some lashes on, pop some lashes on. I didn't want to put anything dramatic on so you can see my color shine through. So I just put some basic lashes on, something just to pop on that lid, honey. I'm going to put some mascara on. That is Photo Finish Mascara. I love that mascara, baby. I love it. I didn't put any mascara at the bottom because I really wanted my liner on my eyes to glow. I'm going to go in with my NYX black liner at the top. I love this liner. I love this liner. Love it. Oh yes, this look is definitely coming through now. Now I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm feeling myself, yes. And by the way, this is a Zuri 16-inch wig that I got from Zuri. It's a tie-dye parade wig, and if you want to see how I put this wig on, check out my previous video, and you can check that out and show us some love. Okay, right here I'm just looking in the mirror and feeling myself because I am Coco Vanity. I love looking in the mirror. When you see a mirror, you take a picture, and that's what I love to do. So yeah, I'm just feeling myself. So now I'm about to pull this look all together with my Jeffree Star setting mist. And yes, honey, yes. Oh my God, everything is coming together and I'm loving what I'm seeing. Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate all the love. If you subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press like. Leave a comment. I will be giving a giveaway away at the end of this video for the people that commented in my last video. And I only know
thank you, Glammers, for watching my video.